I created a video a couple of days ago to answer the question of how much of your income you need to invest to be able to replace your income from your job with your income from your investment. And this was the summary and end result. It's really easy to invest between 20% and 50% of your income after taxes. So everyone should be able to reach this goal in 20 something years. The answer was so simple and perfect to me. Someone who just started their career could retire before turning 50. And even for someone who started late, like me, they could retire comfortably before reaching 60. That sounds awesome. But suddenly a comment came that read like this: 20 to 30 years seems like a long time to invest in order to retire. I can't wait that long. And it got me thinking. She was right. People's needs and patience are different. So I answered her like this: you are right. It's a long time. I can give you two answers. The short answer is 20 to 30 years will pass whether we invest or not. So isn't it better to invest and be financially free in the end? And for the long answer, that's why we are here, to answer that question. The short answer is totally correct. But still, not everyone can wait 20 something years. So I needed to help them some other way, give them some hope, a way to reach their goal faster. And we are gonna do that now. For those of you who are already subscribed, here is an image of a baby sloth. And for those who saw the cute picture, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And while you tap the like button for the YouTube algorithm, I will go and create a new table for us to do our calculation. Let's do this. Hello and welcome. So I've created this new table and it has more information. As you can see, it has months too. So if you invest $1,000 per month, you can replace your $3,000 income from your job after, let's see, 24 years and 5 months. If you want to know how the calculation works, please watch the other video on the top right corner. Next, we are gonna go over the steps that we defined for reaching financial freedom. If you don't remember them, here's a video to remind you of them. But here is the summary. Step 1, make some money. Step 2, spend less than you make. Step 3, invest the difference. Step 4, continue until financial freedom reached. On the last video, we answered the question, how long do we need to continue investing? And on this video, we are going to answer the question, how do we reduce it? And the answer lies on the first 3 steps. Let's start with step number 1. You are making some money, but how can you increase the amount of money that you create? You can start a side hustle. Let's say you are a good painter. You can do 1 painting per month and sell it at $100. Now you're making $100 more. Let's see how much that will affect our time. So we will increase this by $100. And we can see that the time decreased to 23 years and 4 months. So more than a year just by investing $100 more. So let's say you do a couple of side hustles, or you do 1 side hustle, but you do it more and you increase your income by 300. Let's see how much effect that one has. Now you can see that you will reach financial freedom in 21 years and 7 months. That's very faster. The other thing you can do to increase your income is to get a raise at your job. You can follow the steps on this video and increase your value and salary by 10%. Let's see the effect of that. So your monthly investment will be $1,600, and now you will reach financial freedom in year 19, month 6. There are other ways to increase your income, but let's focus on step 2 a little bit. Let's say after watching this video, you are gonna find your latte factor and decrease your expenses by 300. Let's see the effect. Now you will reach financial freedom in 7 years and 11 months. With following just these 2 steps, we have already reduced the time we need to invest to reach financial freedom by 30%. You can continue improving these 2 steps for you and invest more monthly and decrease the number of years you need to invest to reach financial freedom. But you can do some improvements on step 3 too. Invest the difference. And let's say instead of getting the market return of 8%, you get better at investing and can get 10%. Let's see the effects that can cause. Now you will reach financial freedom in 16 years. Just by increasing your returns by 2%, you will reach financial freedom 2 years faster. That's something like 15% of the time that you needed to wait. And let's say you will invest only in wonderful businesses and buy them at a fair price and get a return of 12% instead. And that will decrease the time you need to invest to 14 years and 7 months. I hope now you are happy that the time is reduced and can do 15 years of investment and reach financial freedom faster. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'm happy to answer them. If this video helped you, please consider tapping the like button for the YouTube algorithm and watch these short videos on the screen on how to reach financial freedom. Have a great rest of the day and see you on the next one.